Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the browser you intend to make primary is installed and up to date. This prevents missing features or prompts later. Once done, open your system settings and go straight to Apps or Default Apps. Don't wander through unrelated menus. Make sure the browser is running so the OS can detect it. This short step avoids registry or permission delays. You'll need admin access on some machines, so sign in or prepare credentials now. Now you assign the default, locate the web browser entry, and click the current selection to reveal available apps. You choose your preferred browser from the list and accept any confirmation prompts. This ensures link clicks open correctly. Next, make sure specific handlers are set. Assign HTML, HTTP, and HTTPS to the same browser so files and links behave consistently. If the OS asks to keep current settings, pick the new browser to complete the handoff. You finish by testing. Click links from email and open an HTML file to confirm the chosen browser launches. If the change didn't take effect, restart the browser and, if necessary, reboot the system to refresh associations. Make sure to check for company policies or third-party tools that may override defaults. If those block the change, adjust policy settings or reinstall the browser to re-register its handlers. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.